All right, here we go. Here is the DC Capstone page. I've got the 360 tours linked on here. There's two of them. One actually has the 360 tour because you guys asked about that yesterday. Others are links. What I'm going to do is I'm going to roll through a screencasting page called Widget Screencast, and I'm going to basically demonstrate for you all of the embedding that you need to be able to do to create your wiki page. So I'm going to start with the Voki. This is what we did yesterday. Once you get to your Voki and I've approved it, you will have your embed code. Here's your embed code. You've got three options. You have medium, large, and small. I'm just going to put a small one in. What that does, when you select that code, it basically makes the embedded image, Voki, to a smaller scale. I'm going to copy it. I'm done. I'm going to go back to my 8th grade page. I'm going to go to Edit. And then I will go to my widget. And I want to, actually, I don't want it here. I want to move my cursor down. I want to put my Voki in here. I will go to my widget. For Voki, you will use other HTML. You will paste it in. Click Save. The widget's there. Save it. And I have a small Voki. All right, so that takes care of Voki. Same process for your Pixton cartoons. You'll see the universal code for embed. Click on embed. You've got previews. You decide which one fits best for your cartoon layout. I'm going to take this one, right click, copy, go back to my 8th grade screencast page, edit. I want it underneath. I will go to widget. For Pixton, you'll use other HTML again. Paste it in there, save, and you are good to go. And then you've got the expansion button to make the cartoon full screen. That's how you put Voki in. For a Wordle, once you've created your Wordle, same thing. You will scroll down, save to public gallery. Do not put your name in there. I want it left as anonymous. Don't put anything inappropriate in, not that you would, Kovac. Click OK. It takes a couple seconds, but you will get two things. You'll get a link, which if you wanted to just put a link to your Wordle in, you could do it. Or you can scroll down, and this would be the embed code to actually have it. Here you'll have to highlight, right-click, copy, and then go back to your 8th grade page. Edit. I'm going to show you something a little bit different this time. If you want to put your things inside a table, let's say there were two images you wanted side by side, you could actually create a table and make the columns go up and down, rows go side to side. I want 2 columns and 1 row. Insert the table, and now I've got a small table down here if you can see it. Same thing. Go to Widget. Insert other HTML. You can do this for YouTube videos. You can do this with anything else. And now you'll see that I have a space here to put something else in if I wanted to. Click Save. Scroll down. When Wordle appears, it comes in as a small image. When you click on it, it links to the actual Wordle. All right? Next, we have something a little bit different. I showed you guys this a while back. You can go to Google Maps, find the address, whatever your site is, and you will actually have, once you do that, you'll see the Google map. Here, you're better off moving in if you want, or zooming in as far as you can. Here's Oak Valley Middle School. You'll click on the link button, and you've got two options. You've got a URL, which you could paste in as just a link, and a new web page will open up, and you'll take it there. Or you can paste it in, just like you normally would. I'm going to copy it and embed it. So I've gone to Google Maps. I found the location. I'm going to go back to my Voki, my 8th grade page. Go to Edit. I'm going to put it, just for fun, inside the table next to it so you guys see the functionality of the frame and the table. I'm going to go to Widget, but I'm going to go someplace different this time. I'm going to go to Map. Then I'm going to go to Google Maps. And you can ignore all of these links. This is the actual directions and how to do it. I've just explained it to you. Paste it. Save it. Okay. And it should give you a map that actually will have all of the tools in it, so you can zoom in. And the reason you want to have it zoomed all the way in the past, and maybe if you can get it to work differently, the zoom will only zoom you into as far as the URL allows you to from what you've pasted. So you want to zoom in as far as you can go when you before you actually get the code and paste it in, if that makes sense. All right. So now you've got an interactive Google map on your page as well. For your Glogster, you have to be logged in order to do this. All right. So if I want to add a Glogster to it, what I'll do is I'll again go to my edit page. I am going to go to Widget. I am going to go to Poster and then Glogster. If you're logged in, then you'll see the posters that you've made. Find the poster that you've made, insert glog, and your glog is there. Again, just as a matter of habit, I would always go and save it and check your work while you're going through it to make sure it's all there. The other thing is, remember, it's important to not both of you edit the wiki page at the exact same time. All right? I've put a link in here for the 360 tours. I'm going to show you how to do this as well. Those tours that allow you to actually open up the 360 tour, and this is 360cities.net. Some of you might not be able to do this because 360tours.net does not provide you with a 360 view of your location. But notice we've got the embed and share link up here. All right. You have to agree to the conditions. All right. Copy the code below, paste it into your web page, or you can link this image to your page. I want the top one. Copy it. Go back to your 8th grade page. I'm going to edit. Scroll down. I'm going to go to my widget. Go to other HTML. Paste it. Save it. Save it. And my 360 tour should be embedded right in there. All right, and it actually gives you the link as well. It also puts in some text to let you know what it is that you're looking at. Finally, your Prezzies. You have to open up your Prezzies to this page here. Okay, don't use any of these buttons. These are the editing functions where you can invite people to edit. Here we want to actually share it. It's going to ask you for viewing. Send a link and share this Prezzie. Editing. Hold on a second. That's not what I want. Where's the embed code? Maybe this is it. Let me copy it, see what happens. If this isn't the right link, I'll find it for you, but it's the same process. You're going to go into other HTML, paste it in. I bet it's going to be fine. Save it. It didn't work. I'll figure that out. I'm not sure why I showed it to you yesterday. Anyways, that's pretty much everything you guys need to know from this point on. The Prezzie, who's it been able to get the Prezzie in? What did I do wrong? I say the same process. I'm not exactly sure. Let me just see if I can figure this out. I remember seeing a. Oh, you know what? I bet it's because it's locked. Let me try one more here. That's private too. Share. Okay, probably because it's locked, but I think that's the process that you're going to need to follow. All right.